We are here to meet Sam again, and he has a parcel with him. Wonder what is inside. Hey, Sam, what is in that parcel? Aha! You want us to come inside and see. Well, thank you, Sam. Sam wants us to see his coin collection. That's very good, Sam, but what is in that parcel you just got? Aha! More coins for your collection. How many coins do you have in your collection, Sam? Sam had 215 coins in his coin collection. Now, he's got 164 more coins in the parcel. How many coins does he have in all? To find the answer, we have to add 215 and 164. It is more convenient to add when we write the two numbers in columns of hundreds, tens, and ones as shown. Now we are ready to add. We always start adding the digits in the ones column. Adding 5 and 4, we get 9 as the answer in the ones column. Next, we add the digits in the tens column. Adding 1 and 6, we get 7 as the answer in the tens column. Next, we add the digits in the hundreds column. Adding 2 and 1, we get 3 as the answer in the hundreds column. So, adding 215 to 164, we get 379, which is the total number of coins in Sam's coin collection now. Collecting coins is Sam's hobby. A hobby is something you do because it makes you happy. The hobby of coin collection is called numismatics. It is also called the hobby of kings. Now what is in those two albums, Sam? Another collection? Wow! A stamp collection. How many stamps do you have in your collection, Sam? One of Sam's stamp collection albums has 326 stamps. The other album has 243 stamps. What is the total number of stamps in his collection? To find the answer, we have to add 326 and 243. Let us write the two numbers in columns of hundreds, tens, and ones as shown. Now we are ready to add. Start by adding the digits in the ones place. What do we get by adding the digits on the ones column of this sum? 6 plus 3 is 9, so 9 is correct. Now add the digits in the tens column. What do we get by adding the digits on the tens column of this sum? 2 plus 4 is 6, so 6 is correct. Next, add the digits in the hundreds column. What do we get by adding the digits on the hundreds column of this sum? 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 is correct. So adding 326 to 243, we get 569, which is the total number of stamps in Sam's stamp collection. Collecting stamps is also a hobby and is called philately. Sam's hobbies are collecting coins and stamps. What is your hobby? You can also start your own collection today. You can start collecting anything, from coins, stamps, bottle caps, matchboxes, and food labels, to dried leaves, flowers, and even more. Happy collecting!